This MaxAir training video covers the MaxAir PB 07 and 100 double hoods. The PB 07 and 100 double hoods assemble, don, doff, and disassemble similarly. There are two sizes of hoods. The NL is for most body sizes. The SM is for very small body sizes. They are packaged 20 per box. 07 hoods require a heavy loading filter as they are required to pass the silica dust test for heavy loading environments. 100 hoods do not have heavy loading filters as they are not required to pass the silica dust test for heavy loading environments. The hoods are used with the standard MaxAir CAPR helmet, with a cage attached on top. Refer to their user instructions at maxair-systems.com for details. Key components of the hoods include the lens front alignment hole, the lens right and left side mounting holes, the inner and the outer shrouds. Key components of the helmet assembly include the headband ratchet knob, the helmet front, right, and left side mounting posts. First, assemble a fully charged MaxAir battery onto a double layer of belt. Place the top edge of the belt under the battery clip up to the clip top, so the clip deaden rests on the clip base and not the belt. Place the belt comfortably around the waist and position the battery near the side back of the right hip. Plug the power cord into a fully charged MaxAir battery. An audible click indicates a secure fit. To don the helmet, first loosen the headband by rotating the ratchet knob counterclockwise. Then place the power cord over the right shoulder. Lift the helmet up and onto the top of the head. Rotate the ratchet knob clockwise to tighten as tight as comfortable. Typically start with an NL size. If it is found that the hood is excessively loose-fitting, you may need to switch to the SM size. Begin assembly of the hood to the helmet by pressing the center lens mounting hole over and onto the helmet's center mounting post. Press one side lens mounting hole over and onto the respective helmet side mounting post. Repeat on the other side. Grasp the back of the hood filter at the seam with the shroud and begin to pull the hood up and over the helmet. If the hood filter is folded over the front Velcro strip, flip the fold up to expose the Velcro strip. Pull the hood down further and back to remove the wrinkles from the hood filter over the helmet top. Don appropriate body gown or covering per their manufacturer's protocol. Please note that the interior shroud layer of the double hood goes inside the gown. Ensure the hood outer shroud is fully down on all sides. Pull the neck tie to within about 1/2 inch of the neck, then tie it securely. Leave the body tied through the front outer shroud slits. Pull it snugly around the body and tie it securely. If you are wearing an 07 hood, be sure to don a heavy loading filter. Place the heavy loading filter at the back base of the helmet. Pull the HLF forward onto the helmet. Then, don the high fluid resistance filter cover cap, or HFR FCC. Starting at the front, push the HFR FCC down on top of the heavy loading filter. The HFR FCC is a fluid impermeable cover for MaxAir hood filters. It provides an optional protective cover for all MaxAir hoods. Refer to their training video for donning and doffing. Start doffing by removing the HFR FCC and the heavy loading filter. Dispose per your institution's protocol for contaminated waste. Then, start doffing the hood by untying both neck and body ties. Pull the ties through their hood loops and discard appropriately as contaminated waste. Starting from the back bottom, roll the hood, inside over outside, up and over to the front of the helmet. Unsnap each side lens attachment from the helmet. Continue rolling the hood forward and off the front helmet mounting post. With the hood completely off the helmet, discard appropriately as contaminated waste. Loosen the rear headband adjustment knob counterclockwise. Lift the helmet up, forward, and off the head. Disconnect the battery from the helmet. Push the secure connection button down and pull the cord connector fully out and away from the battery. Release the button. Unbuckle the belt and remove the battery and belt from around the waist. Connect a powered-on battery charger to the battery. Push the charger connector fully into the battery receptacle, just below the secure lock button. Do not push down on the secure lock button. Properly clean, ready, and store the helmet for its next use. This completes the MaxAir PB07 and 100 double hood outfits training video.